To use PayPal without a bank account, you can link a credit or debit card to your PayPal account, or use alternative funding sources such as prepaid cards or cash reload services. First, create a PayPal account by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. Once your account is set up, you can link a credit or debit card to your account by clicking on the Wallet tab and selecting the option to link a card. You can then use this card to fund your PayPal transactions without needing to have a bank account. Another option is to use a prepaid card, which can be purchased at a retail store and loaded with a specific amount of funds. You can then link this prepaid card to your PayPal account and use it to make payments. In addition to linking a card, you can also use cash reload services such as PayPal Cash or NetSpend to add funds to your PayPal account. These services allow you to load cash onto your PayPal account at a retail store, and then use that cash to make purchases online or send money to others. To use PayPal without a bank account, it is essential to understand the fees associated with using alternative funding sources. For example, linking a credit or debit card to your PayPal account may incur a small fee per transaction, while using a prepaid card or cash reload service may also involve fees. To avoid these fees, it is best to use a debit card or a credit card with no foreign transaction fees. Additionally, be sure to read the terms and conditions of your PayPal account and any linked funding sources to understand the fees and limitations associated with using PayPal without a bank account. In summary, using PayPal without a bank account is possible by linking a credit or debit card, using a prepaid card, or utilizing cash reload services. By understanding the fees and limitations associated with these funding sources, you can use PayPal to make online purchases, send money to others, and receive payments without needing a bank account.